Hi folks, welcome back to the Cumbrian Homestead. Guess what? It's raining again. We've had a lot of rain here yesterday and all today, probably right until the early hours of tomorrow morning. It's going to rain, so there's nothing really to be done outside. Anyway, I've had a mail call from my mate over in Canada, Willie Coleman. So I've got a nice little bit of a letter there. And he sent me 4 packets of seeds. So I have to say a big thank you also to Chris over at ACS, because apparently she sent these to Willie and he's forwarded them on to me. So Chris, thank you very much indeed. I grew these last year and had a really, a lot of success with them. So hopefully I'm going to grow those again. This looks an interesting one, a giant, big, looks like a beefsteak tomato. And this was the parsley root. You grow it for the root. And this one looks very intriguing. I've never seen these before. Radish, doesn't look like it's in focus to me. Anyway, it says radish watermelon. So yeah, definitely going to look forward to trying some of those. So anyway, that's just a quick update on the mail call. I am hoping to get some first sowings done this weekend. Probably just shallots, a couple of pots of leeks, and maybe some stew on onions from seed, and maybe a pot of radish or something, but we'll see. So I'll update you on that accordingly. But right now, I did mention last time I did a video on some of my guitars. You can see I was going to do maybe a little bit of fun, sort of name these 5 tunes. So I'll get set up and I'll come back to you. Right guys, I've got the guitar here. Like I said, it's just a bit of fun. It's not a competition or anything. There's no prizes. Just see if you can name the 5 tunes. I will give you the name of the duo, Simon and Garfunkel, so I've made it really easy for you. So here we go. Let's just get this camera lined up a bit better on the guitar. Get the cap on. Okay, here's the first one then. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, now for the third one, capo back on. Here we go. Okay. Song number 4. Here we go. Okay, song number 5. That's it then, guys. So like I say, just a bit of fun. Drop your answers down below in the comments box if you know what the songs are, and I hope you enjoyed that. And if you'd like me to do another one of these, sort of, you know, name those 5 tunes, if it's within my capabilities, I'll do it. So if you're happy, you know, if you want to do some, I'll let me know. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.